Medieval feasts, exploring the extravagant meals of the Middle Ages. Medieval feasts were elaborate and extravagant events that played a significant role in the social and cultural life of the Middle Ages. These feasts were not just about satisfying hunger, they were elaborate displays of wealth, power, and hospitality. Here are some key aspects of medieval feasts. 1. Occasions for feasting. Feasts were organized to celebrate various occasions such as weddings, coronations, religious festivals, and important political events. They were also a way for the nobility to display their wealth and generosity, reinforcing their social status. 2. Setting and ambience. Feasts were held in grand halls or banquet rooms within castles, manors, or other noble residences. The atmosphere was often enhanced with elaborate decorations, music, and entertainment, including jugglers, minstrels, and other performers. 3. Table manners and etiquette. Despite the abundance of food, medieval feasts followed strict rules of etiquette. For example, guests were expected to wash their hands before meals. The seating arrangement was hierarchical, with the most important guests seated closest to the host. 4. Food and beverages. The variety of dishes served at a medieval feast was impressive, featuring a mix of meats, fish, poultry, and seasonal vegetables. Roasted meats, especially large game animals like boar and venison, were common centerpieces. Exotic spices, which were expensive and a symbol of wealth, were used liberally to enhance the flavors of the dishes. Alcoholic beverages, such as wine and ale, flowed freely. 5. Entertainment. Feasts were not just about the food, entertainment played a crucial role. Jesters, troubadours, and minstrels provided amusement, and sometimes there were even staged performances or theatrical productions. Games and contests were also organized to keep guests entertained. 6. Tableware and utensils. While the common folk might have used wooden or ceramic dishes, the nobility often used elaborate and finely crafted tableware made of silver or gold. Cutlery was not as common, and guests often used their hands or knives. Spoons were more widespread, especially for soups and stews. 7. Symbolism in food. Some dishes were crafted not only for their taste but also for their symbolic significance. For example, a swan might be served as a symbol of purity and nobility. Elaborate subtleties or subtleties, which were edible sculptures made from sugar or marzipan, were often presented as decorative elements. 8. Leftovers and charity. The excess of food at medieval feasts often resulted in leftovers. It was common for the host to distribute the remaining food to the less fortunate or to those who served during the feast. While medieval feasts were extravagant and sometimes bordering on excessive, they were an integral part of the social fabric of the time, providing a platform for displays of wealth, power, and hospitality.